Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by holding a power key. Let's keep holding power button, choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you will have to use the following combination of keys: power key, volume up and home button. So let's hold down together these three keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding these keys and release them as soon as Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 logo pops up in front of you. The device is booting into recovery mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, as you can see, the Android recovery is already on the screen. You can navigate here by using both volume keys. You can select here apply update from SD card, applied update from ADB. You can wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose either power off or reboot system now. So in my case, let me choose reboot system now, and now the device is restarting and rebooting. Let's just be patient and wait until the phone boots into a normal mode. Excellent, as you can see now you can use your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.